What's up mga Kaderbians? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And I'm Cameron Garcia, here for today's host. And natakaroon with our Derbians players na maglalaban-laban sa ating chess puzzle. Mga Kaderbians, mag-ingay naman dyan! Okay, let me introduce you our two players. Here in my right corner, we have Team Musketeers.
I'm 12 years old. I live at Balingasag, South Oriental, and I represent the 3 Musketeers.
In my left corner, we have Team Zug-Zwang.
What's up everyone? I'm Alexa Team Makalisang, 12 years old. Og ako ang representative for Team Zug-Zwang.
So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let the games begin!
Yay! Okay na.
Judge, you win ang laro!
Kalma lang, ayaw pag-house.
Dito, sa kanalo! Paragon! Oh, shit! Kanalo!
Tuloy yung goman! Clap your hands! Go!
And the winner is Team Zug-Zwang!
Okay.